In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Inkscape from Windows 11 step by step. Whether you're freeing up space, fixing a software issue, or simply no longer need the program, I'll walk you through the exact process to remove it completely from your computer. The steps are quick and beginner-friendly, so just follow along and you'll have Inkscape uninstalled in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows 11 guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, go down to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start button. This will open the Start menu, where you can search for apps and settings on your computer. Once the Start menu is open, begin typing the word Settings. You'll see the Settings app appear in the search results at the top. Click on Settings to open it. When the Settings window opens, look over to the left-hand pane. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Apps. This section allows you to manage all the applications installed on your Windows 11 device. After clicking on Apps, look to the right side of the window and select Installed Apps. This will open a full list of every application currently installed on your computer. Depending on how many programs you have, this list might take a few seconds to load. Now that you're inside the Installed Apps section, go to the search bar at the top of the list. Click into the search field and type Inkscape. As you type, Windows will filter the list automatically and show matching results. Once you see Inkscape appear in the list, locate it carefully. On the right side of the Inkscape row, you'll notice 3 dots. These 3 dots represent the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open additional options. After clicking the 3 dots, a small menu will appear. Click on Uninstall from the drop-down options. Windows will now ask you to confirm that you want to uninstall the app. Click on Uninstall again when prompted. This double confirmation step ensures that you really want to remove the program from your system. At this point, the Inkscape uninstaller will begin running. Wait while Windows removes the application from your computer. This process may take up to a minute, depending on your system speed. During this time, you might see a progress bar or a small uninstallation window appear on your screen. In some cases, Windows may ask you to confirm as the administrator of the computer. If you see a user account control prompt asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" click Yes. This is required to complete the uninstallation because removing software requires administrative permission. After you confirm, the system will finish uninstalling Inkscape. Once the process is complete, the app will disappear from the installed apps list. That means it has been successfully removed from your Windows 11 computer. And that's it. You've now successfully uninstalled Inkscape from Windows 11. As you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a few simple steps through the Settings app. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. I regularly post simple step-by-step guides to help you solve common computer issues quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.